Hey bitch, what's up? So, you called me in to do your makeup, right? Bitch, you could not have called a better person. Seriously. What do you mean, what am I doing? I am having applesauce, because it's nice, and also... Listen, I've got the low sugar, okay? Don't judge me. You did. You just did. Alright, so let's get started with your makeup because you need it. Oh, girl. I don't know what's going on with that face, and neither do you. It's okay. You told me you had oily skin, right? So, I got my makeup right here. What? Listen, I'm a professional. Okay, don't tell me how to do my job. I don't tell you how to do yours. Mainly because I don't know what the fuck it is that you do. And I don't care, to be honest, but yeah. 3 weeks in communal college. Please. I know the ins and outs of makeup. Don't worry about it. I got my brushes. Look. What? You can use those ones. I mean, a brush is a brush, right? Look. I like this one for the huge face. That's gonna be great. So, yeah, you said you wanted like something glamour. I got you. I got you. I mean, look at me. I am the personification of glamour. Alright, bitch. Are we doing something with your hair? Honey, are you sure? Alright, you're cool. You're the customer. Yeah. You didn't think this was free, did you? Friends. Friends, listen. As far as I'm concerned, we are an acquaintance. Okay? I mean, when business is concerned, relatives are dead and friends are in prison. And that's how I got where I am today. So. Alright, so I'm gonna do your lips first. Nice red. Look at that. Alright, just pucker your lips. Yeah. Like your second... Yeah, a lollipop. Yeah. What did you think I was gonna say? You disgusting bitch. Alright. Oh, there's a lot to cover. Okay. Your cheeks, yeah. Let's try this one, it's a bit rough. Yeah. Because your skin has bigger craters than the moon. Yeah. Don't take it personally. But, yeah. That's a little bit of blush. Just not too much, because you don't want to look whorish. You know what I mean? Oops. Okay. For the eyes, I was thinking about something, you know, something subtle, you know, blue and yellow, yeah. Nothing too heavy. Alright. Oh. Yeah. This one looks nice. Alright, so. Come on, primary colors. Close your eyes. Yeah, you can close your eyes. I mean, you could also put a bag over your head, but if you did that, I wouldn't be here. Alright, yeah. The other eye. Oh, look at that. Oh, she's looking good. She's looking good. And since you have double eyelids, I'm gonna have to use double makeup. Sus, sis. Sorry, did I poke you in the eye with my ring? Well, you know, it happens. Alright. Your eyes are a nice shade of bloodshot. Yeah, that's a good look. Alright, for the eyes, I'm gonna go with that sexy, you know, long lashes. You know, a long lash is always good on a bitch. You know, yeah. Alright. And I'm using my, what's that? Number 28 black. Yeah. It's sponsored by Pentel, as you can see. Alright, so look up. Yeah, you can open your mouth if you want to. I don't know why you bitches do that, but okay. No, don't look down. You're going to ruin it. Alright. Yeah, you can stare into my armpit, that's fine. Whatever floats your boat, you creep. Alright. I'm gonna do like the eyebrows, but like really arched and feminine. You know. Fierce. Fierce, honey. Oh, she's serving. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, she's serving face. Oh, my God. This bitch. I think you're about done. Yeah. Well, I didn't think it was gonna be that fast, actually. I thought it would be much, much longer. But hey, I'm a professional, right? So, let me show you the final result. Alright, can you see? This is what you look like. What do you mean you look ugly? I know. Obviously, that's why you called me. Oh, no, you want to talk to your biological parents. If you can find them. I mean, well, I told you about the hair. You didn't want to listen to me. You don't like it. You don't like it. Wait until you go to the club and get trade. And then you'll thank me. Alright. Now go get them, bitch. But first, know what I mean?